Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the dashboard, the main dashboard on Hostinger, and I'm going to show you how to add WordPress on Hostinger. I hope you're going to find this video helpful. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. And now let's jump right into this video. So what you're going to have to do here is just to decide on which website you like to add a WordPress, right? So I'm gonna click on here on manage. Here I can select the website site, select the right website, and then here what you're gonna have to do is just to click on website here, excuse me, and here on website you can choose auto installer. Now probably you're not going to see WordPress, I believe, but just click on auto installer here, and here you can select WordPress. Just select WordPress. Then here, enter your website title, and then enter your password. Okay, now click on next, and then here we have the installation. Just click on install. It's not gonna take that long. So actually pause the video. Didn't take that long, about like couple of minutes, sorry, couple of seconds, about 1 minute, I think. Anyways, now here we have install another WordPress if you want to do that. But now what we have to do is just to select, just to click on admin panel. Now we'll be directed to the actually WordPress on the WordPress dashboard. All right, so here we have the visit the website. By the way, from here we can also go to files and files manager and click on here access files. So we can actually change the files. Maybe you want to add your own website, your own template. You can check the files here. You can also performance, you have security here, backups, website. We can check here and auto install that we actually installed the application WordPress. We can actually remove it from remove the app from here. We can also add other apps here. You can choose a different CMS for your website, but overall, if you want, you can just click on admin panel here. You'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard, and from here you know exactly what you do. You also have these settings here, the email, the WordPress address, the site address, the time zone, and you can also from here you can go to writing and then reading. Yeah, you have pretty much other options here, but of course for a user you can here click on edits, and then if you want you can add a new password if you are maybe in a situation where you're gonna need to change your password. You can do it. And here we have also plugins, appearance, the theme. You can add a new theme from here. There's a bunch of themes available here. Comments and page, and you already know, probably already familiar with the dashboard, but I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.